Welcome back to Car Reviews, where we bring you the most powerful machines on the planet. Today, we step away from traditional vehicles and dive into the world of heavy-duty machinery with the Caterpillar D10 2025, a beast designed for extreme performance. This isn't just any construction machine, it's an engineering marvel that combines raw strength with modern technology. At first glance, the D10 looks intimidating. It's massive, it's aggressive, and it dominates any terrain it touches. But what makes the 2025 model stand out? Let's start with the heart of this machine, the engine. Caterpillar has equipped the D10 with a Cat C27 engine, delivering around 770 horsepower. That's more power than some high-performance sports cars. And the torque, an earth-moving 2,400 Newton-meters, making sure it can push through the toughest surfaces with ease. One of the most impressive aspects of the D10 is its advanced power management system. This optimizes fuel efficiency while maintaining top-tier performance, ensuring that operators get the best output with minimal fuel consumption. The hydraulic system has also been improved, providing smoother and faster blade movements, which is crucial for productivity on large-scale construction sites. Durability is key in a machine like this, and Caterpillar has reinforced the undercarriage and tracks to withstand extreme working conditions. Whether it's mining, large-scale excavation, or heavy-duty earthmoving, this bulldozer is built to handle the pressure. The redesigned torque divider and enhanced traction control ensure that it moves with precision even on unstable ground. Stepping inside, the operator's cabin has seen some major upgrades. Comfort and technology now go hand in hand. The touchscreen control panel, real-time machine diagnostics, and GPS integration allow operators to monitor performance with ease. The air-conditioned cabin and ergonomic seating reduce fatigue, making long shifts more comfortable. And let's not forget about noise reduction technology. The cabin is now better insulated, reducing external noise by up to 50%. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics. This 2025 model sports a bold red paint job, which is not only visually striking but also treated with a high durability coating to resist harsh environments. The showroom setting enhances the premium look, making this industrial machine feel like a luxury powerhouse. And speaking of luxury, the placement of white flowers around it creates a stark contrast. Raw power meets elegance. Compared to its predecessors, the new D10 boasts a lighter yet stronger frame, a more fuel-efficient engine, and advanced safety features. The automatic blade stabilization system reduces operator fatigue, while the new collision avoidance sensors add an extra layer of protection in busy work environments. So, who is this machine for? If you're in the construction, mining, or heavy equipment industry, the Caterpillar D10 2025 is one of the best investments you can make. It's tough, efficient, and loaded with modern features that make it one of the most advanced bulldozers in its class. That wraps up our review of the Caterpillar D10 2025. Whether you love cars, trucks, or heavy machinery, we bring you the best reviews right here on Car Reviews. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful machine reviews. Drop a comment below. What do you think about the new D10? Would you take one for a spin if given the chance?